Yo, good morning, YouTube. It's like 6:15 a.m. July 28th, and I'm at the fucking side of the road waiting on a tow truck right now because I thought I caught a fucking blowout on the highway, and I don't know, the tire's not popped, but it looks like it might be one of the coilovers in the back, or a control arm, I don't know. But yeah, check this shit out. In Springfield, you know what I'm saying? Property, mobile property, farmers in the conduit, you know the fucking vibes. Fucked up out here right now. Too early for this bullshit. Yeah, man, I switched lanes and that shit just fucking, I don't know, just dropped, my nigga. Facts. Damn, this nigga shit is bust up. This piece of shit right here. He got a fucking flat too. Nah, what? Nah. My son wildin'. Nah, son. Nah, son, never. My son really outside with it. That's crazy. But yeah, man, like I said, we at the mobile gas station on Farmers and some conduit right here. My shit blew out on the highway, but my shit dunked. The tire didn't even bust. It should almost rip off my fucking back bumper and shit, man. Every fucking day, some of the problems, man. I think the max speed and coilovers failed me. Hold on. I think the coilovers failed me because I don't know what the fuck happened. I thought my tire bust, but my tire didn't burst. The tire good. It just, come on, my nigga. It just shredded up a little bit, but fuck. I'm out here waiting for AAA looking stupid. It's 6:15 in the morning, son. I guess that's what I get for being outside early, making pussy moves and shit last night. Should've stayed my ass at the crib. Fuck. Yeah, we back at it. Going through the bullshit right now. I got my boy came through to the rescue. I'm out here with my shit. The fucking, the bolt came out of the strut. I mean, I'm bugging. I've been outside since 6 in the morning, gang. The fucking bolt came out of the bottom of the coilover, or the strut, or whatever, the strut bolt, whatever the fuck you want to call that shit, and fell out on the highway. Big blowout scene. My car went all over the fucking place. But yeah, we over here replacing the fucking rear coilover so I could take my ass home. You can see what happened today. Whole tire all shredded up, but it didn't burst, thank God. This bolt right here that's supposed to go through here was missing. Could have died. So this is the rear coilover after a year. A little bit of leaking. Nothing crazy. And then these are the new ones with the dampening setting. I'm gonna adjust them to the same height and throw them shits on so I can fuck up out of here. Afternoon flex. Today is Tuesday, August 3rd. And we're still here. It's been a long week. They brought the car in on the lift last night. I'll show a little bit of that.
Look at these bum ass niggas struggling with your shit, bro. I'm dead ass on my way home from work seeing this shit. These niggas is crazy. Wow. Wow. They couldn't do that shit outside right there. Niggas is head. What the fuck, son? I'm recording this just so some bullshit happened. You feel me? You got some eyes where they thought they didn't. Yeah, I'm about to pull in this bitch, my nigga. Fuck out of here, son.
finally got the car inside. They're working on it. After yelling at them a few times and shit yesterday.
Yeah.
If you could,
This is my other car.
The next guy is a tall guy.
Yeah. That's our car.
but I did buy the entire suspension for the rear and a junkyard.
So, what are y'all doing right now?
Real cheap. So I picked that shit up and they're installing it. Hopefully they're here. Hopefully they finish it up today. I'm not going nowhere. I'm staying here, applying that pressure because niggas been playing with me for a fucking week. So there's no reason. They're not even busy like that. There's no fucking reason why my shit's been here for this long. As you can see, they lazy. Don't ever come to this shitty ass shop. Ever.
You see that shit, right?
Ever. So this is the old part right now. The new spindle is on. So the tire's gonna come out a little bit. It's the old one. Where the fuck is the part? That's where it broke.
What year is the car? 60?
So the part I showed you was the bolt that goes from here, goes into that.
Go. Gonna tell him.
Today is day 9. That's right, day 9. It's been a week and 2 days of this bullshit. I got my car back 2 days ago, and yesterday I was actually going to go. I got my car back 2 days ago. Today's day 9. Yesterday I was going to put some gas in the car, and as I was doing that, gas started pouring out from the fucking underneath the car right around here. So I was upset about that, and I'm gonna insert the clip that I have of the stupid ass shop that I was at on the way that they got my car in there, and they definitely punctured my gas tank while doing that. I called them this morning. They told me to bring the car down there so they could look at it and see if they're gonna do it. I told them, y'all are gonna do it. I have you on video fucking up my shit. Once again, don't ever go to that mobile in Springfield Gardens on North Conduit and Farmers. Don't ever go there. Ever. So I'm about to get up under the car and find this hole that they fucked up. And here we go, man. Goddamn. So I just put some gas in and I found the culprit. It's right here. Now that's where, see, this is the gas tank. But right there, this is where it connects. Right here. Come on, nigga, focus. The fuck? Right there is where it's leaking from. Gas is leaking out from right there instead of going into the fucking gas tank. And that means when they put that shit under my car and damage this, they push it up right there into that piece. And that means that they did that shit and not me. I'm 1000% sure they did that shit. And it's on fucking video. So I'm going the fuck back. Fuck it. Yeah, Flex, we back again. So, you know what the fuck going on. We going right back to that spot in Queens so we can show them what they did and why my car is leaking. Shout out to AAA and Gemma. My shit look nice, even up on a fucking tow truck. Fuck that. That shit fire. Anyway, we out of here. Yeah, man, I'm back at the fucking bum ass shop. Coolest tow truck driver I've ever had. This nigga's cool as hell, and he got a race car too. My boy got the Camaro Nitrous. Too bad I couldn't get a review with him, but he cool. Shout out to my boy right here, taking care of the car. About to get it in the bay, get up under there, show him what's leaking. And if he's trying to install my fuel pump today, then fuck it, man. I gotta get up out of here. I need my car back. Thanks. how low that bitch is. Uh-huh.